Hello guys, it's me Rahul Rox, and today I will show you how to make a game in Unity and especially play a moment. So let's get open the Unity application and go to the asset folder and download some assets as like path. So download it and after that import that materials. It will take some time. And then go to the project file and open up the asset that you have downloaded and go to the material file and then drag and drop some material as you like it. And after that you can download as you want to what kind of assets you really wanted in your game. So once again I'm going to download some assets as you can see. So again I have downloaded the skybox and there is some kind of grassy view. These are not working properly because I had already switched my platform to Android, that's right. And now I'm just going to download the skybox for the background. As you can see, it's not working on the path as I'm changing the color and save. But when I'm dragging and dropping the image JPG material file onto the path, it is working, but it is not looking pretty cool. So I need to change. And then I'm downloading some roads. But this is not also useful. And then again I used to create a 3D object, the outlines of the road. As you can see, I'm just doing it. Now it's time to place over the path, and that's how I'm doing this. It will take some time to adjust all the things properly. Sometimes it really feels that boring, but actually it is interesting when you are near to complete it. At the beginning, you are going to face lots of problems. And do you know one thing? It's my first game that I used to make in Unity, and I am so much excited. As you can see कि ये जो पाथ का जो आउटलाइन है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा हो चुका है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा एडजस्ट करके, and then I will duplicate it and then place it to the other side. Once again I had copied the code and just make the boundary of it only at the both sides. As you can see, if you're really interested to make a game, the best way to go ahead is to get started. So if you are interested, get started with the The only basic knowledge needed is little bit knowledge of fine art, where the physics, some kind of physics knowledge and some kind of fine art and the shadows where it can little bit knowledge of I think physics and other the programming. In Unity, it supports C software language. That is really not so hard, but it is easy. So I'm just downloading the moving skybox. Sorry. So here I downloaded and then I'm using footage. After importing it, just drag and drop to this screen onto the scene. As you can see, now it is looking pretty cool. This car, but the road is not looking so good. So I have to do for that. So after playing the play button, the sky box is not moving. That means the sky is not moving. Don't know why. मुझे नहीं पता. Sorry, mistake. And then I decided to change the road design. So I'm just finding what's the best. But कोई नहीं, it's okay. By the way, this is the first part of my video tutorial, how to make a game. It's the first part in which you are going to learn how to program the player, how to control with the keyboard, and then after how to follow the player through the camera. So let's see what is going to happen in the next video. But before that, we had already placed a sphere ball that we are going to control, and that was our player. So as you can see, I'm just changing the color of the sphere. That is our player. So finally, I didn't get anything in the app, so I'm going to download from the internet. Before that, I'm just changing the path. This one is a little bit matching with the environment. Just like we were riding something over the sky, and there is a road is there. So as you can see, there is nothing really matching with the atmosphere that we are placing onto the sphere that is our player. So I just I'm just going to download it from the Chrome. From the asset folder, I really don't find anything, so I'm just downloading from the Chrome. As you can see, you can download from the Chrome and place it in the sphere that is our player. So I'm finding the image without any background. So I just download it, and then I used to drag and drop onto the Unity assets file. Simply drag and drop to the sphere, and now I'm searching for the road image that is not matched properly, but I just used to try how it looked like, but it is not that much good. So I decided to don't do that. This look is really pretty cool, but no, previous one is this one. Ball is the sphere is also looking good according to the atmosphere. And now I'm just creating a new script over the sphere, over the player. clear a script that I already made it, and then open it in Visual Studio. And we do not use that upper header file. So create a public riggy body, and we have created a variable rg, and then public float forward force equal to 2000 and the public float side force equal to 1. And then if input dot get key w rb dot add force, that means our riggy body has been adding a force in 3 dimensions x, y, z. So we are here putting the force into the x direction 0 and y 0, but in the z direction we are putting the force of 2000, and that's how we created input get key as a d, and that's how it is going to work for our player. And just you can see how it is work. But here is some compiler error. So where is the problem? Sorry. So I'm just going to checking for the code, and yes, the problem is here. Spelling mistake, void. It's very common mistake. So after playing it, we can control our board with pressing W key and 3. As you can see, whoa. It's working, but the motion is very fast, the acceleration is very fast, so here we can change add force and sub force. Now it is a little bit slower than that. So as you can see, through this we can create our player movements, writing some codes on C# and creating some anything in visuals. So thank you for watching this. Thank you guys. See you in next video.